So you're ready to learn what a sales funnel is, why it's different from a website, and how they can radically transform your business. You've grown tired of hearing for the millionth time that a funnel's not a website, that's offensive, or you need a squeeze page, and a VSL page, and a webinar, and a PLF, and a cart funnel, and dingus, and drinks, but you've resisted because learning something new is hard and usually quite boring. Plus, you're learning to do so many other things right now, like Spanish, and crypto, and how to moonwalk. How's that going? We get it, you're not late to Funnel World. You've clearly just been patiently waiting for a super high definition video series on YouTube that cleverly and concisely defines what funnels are and clearly illustrates how you could use them while not being a boring lecture or sales pitch. I get it. And that's why I have a job, so you can have a successful business. My name is Tom, and I want to welcome you to What the Funnel. I said funnel, right? In this series, we'll be walking you through all the different types of funnels. We'll discuss each one's purpose, which one might be right for your business, and how you could easily create one for yourself without learning what this means or dealing with this guy.
We'll be going over everything, including survey funnels. I mean, we got squeeze page funnels, there's book funnels. Over here we got membership funnels, we've got VSL funnels too, and baby, I mean the best webinar funnels you have ever seen. We got hero funnels and so many more.
We'll also be showing you a ton of examples from entrepreneurs who are using these exact same funnels. People like Julius Dean, Kaylin Poulin, Tony Robbins, Jamie Cross, Sam Kolder, as well as a lot of big businesses like Redline Steel, Bulletproof Coffee, and Socksy, the sock store. They sell socks. They're in the sock market. They've got socks appeal. So, whether you're a content creator or influencer trying to sell desaturated presets or swag, there's a funnel for that. Whether you have an e-commerce store, Amazon FBA business, or brick and mortar store, there are many funnels for that. No matter what business you're in, there's a funnel for that. So if you're a total funnel newbie or an experienced funnel hacker looking for ways to accelerate your business, this series will help. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Just to let you know, we'll also be doing a ton of awesome giveaways, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos or prizes. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below, and remember, you're just one funnel away. Who keeps bleeping me when I say funnel?